Hey, Louis Vanderbuck here with Crocus Solutions. Thank you so much for checking out what we're doing. The topic of this video is how long should you wait until you see results from SEO, or how long does it take to get results from SEO? It's hard to give an exact answer for this is how long it will take for you to see ranking differences or for you to really start getting leads from our SEO efforts. The reason being is population size, competition of your industry, competition of your area, related to all the other factors like who is the competition, how much effort are they putting into their work, into their website and whatnot, how long have they been working on it, etc. Those things all come into play. So there's no answer, hey, it's going to take 2 weeks, hey, it's going to take 6 months, hey, it's going to take a year. There isn't any way I can give you a definitive answer on that. However, I can go into a few things that affect it. One of those things is how old is your website? How old is the domain? What's the competition that you're dealing with, right? So when it comes to the website authority and the age of the domain, those two kind of come together to build trust in Google's eyes. Everything that we're doing online is related to building trust and authority on your website because Google wants to serve up the best results for the people who are looking. And so it's going to go to the most trusted sources. So the age of your domain, the age of your website can play into that. Now, another thing to look at is the quantity and the quality of the content on your website. If you're starting from scratch, that's going to take longer. If you've already got some content, some quantity of content, some quality of content, we can build from that, optimize what's currently there, and then keep going and build some momentum even faster because we kind of have a springboard to build off of. I mentioned competition. That is a big deal. If you're in Tampa, Florida, and you're looking to rank for HVAC, that is a very competitive market. There are things we can do to break it down into suburbs of that market, into specific services of your market, which we'll do no matter who's working with us or what market they're in. But these are all things that have to be taken into account. The competition and the number of people that have taken time to optimize what they're doing plays into how long it will take for us to see results. So overall, SEO is a long-term strategy. It's a long-term investment into your business. It doesn't have to be long as in multiple years. It might be multiple months, but it is something that you can't just turn on the switch, start paying us, and instantly see results. So go into it with that understanding. We make sure to set that expectation right up front. And if we both understand that goes very well. Now, that being said, we do provide you with updates. We provide you with transparency into the process of what we're doing so that you can see, hey, this is where my money's going. This is the movement that's happening because of it. To summarize, how long does it take to see SEO movement, to see leads start coming in from SEO? It is really hard to say. As a general rule, we say if you're not in it for a minimum commitment of 3 to 6 months, then you're probably selling yourself short. You're not going to see results from what we're doing, and you will have just invested a lot of money with us that, if you pull the plug, it just doesn't make sense. So hope that makes some sense. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if there's questions and topics you want us to talk about.